Good day investors, welcome to the 2nd of February 2015 market review. The trade for today is called Remgro and the code is REM. Last traded price was R270.75. The action on this trade is to trade it downwards or short from the blue line to the green line. Entry level will be R270.75 and the target will be R259.93. The red line will be the stop loss. Stop loss to be used is R276.16. Looking at the current open trades, Nikkei is the only one still open. Closed trades that happened on the 30th of January will be IMP and MNP. The trades were closed. Looking at the top 40 index of the JSE, the blue line is the index movement. Still trading in a positive channel above the grey line. That's the 20-day moving average. And the dotted grey line, that's the 5-day moving average. Now, I just want to do two things here. It's very important. The Dow Jones closed 251 points negative on Friday, and they went from that point lower in a negative momentum, currently testing this lows here. Now, the big problem is, will the momentum go further down or start lifting again? Currently, the futures are a bit higher this morning. But we need to track it closely. It could be changing at any time. Even gold is sitting at 1,280 and oil is trading at $46 per barrel. Looking at the J200, you will basically see it trading on the high there as well, and that is our markets on the top 40 shares trading between the green and the red line. So we need to see what the futures will do here at 8:30 till 11 o'clock this morning for better direction. I want to call up the FTSE quickly so you can actually interact with the European stock markets as well. Looking at this blue line, the index movement, struggling to break the 6,800 points downwards. And if you look at the Bollinger Bands on it, basically it's on the top side here as well. So there could be a bit of positive movement, another 100 points up, but we need to see if the direction will start falling. The same with the DAX, that's the Germany market. And markets will look at this 10,800 as a high, if broken 11,000 next high. If there's 11,600 has been broken here, the low, definitely it will go back to this 10,500. So there's a lot of movement currently due in the market. You will see some of the shares are quite high as well. Look at ShopRite. Had a high of 188.50, currently trading at 185 rand, but it's still in a positive momentum between the green and red line. Look at Mr. Price, also positive on a high. 267 was the previous high, currently trading at 265. Look at Willys, traded at 87 rand, currently at 87, still in a positive channel. Looking at the banking shares, went to the highs of almost 200 rand. Trading between the green and red, so they're quite topish here. Standard Bank also on a high of 153.56. You can text it with previous highs. So there's a lot of shares currently very high at this moment. Looking at Vodacom as well, traded on this previous highs here on the blue lines, and it started to fall down, and it's trading at 134. So a lot of the shares are quite topish at this moment. We need to see if the momentum will start coming down or stabilize. Now MTN, as you can see, went up to the 212 levels, but it started to fade back and it's back here at 202 levels. So it's back to this range of 202 to 210 in this sideways. A lot of volatility, a lot of speculation if this share can start moving upwards to go back to the values of the 220s and the 250s in the short term. Investec even, you can see the share did break up on a top point there. So a lot of shares are high, there's some shares it's low. So be patient, track the market closely, and wait for better direction currently. Enjoy your trading.